A very pleasant good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to the People's Forum of In the Streets with Big Stone. The police have finally decided to crack down on rowdy motorcycles. Let's go to the Loop newspaper for this one. Bike rage. Cops clamp down on noisy motorcycles. Owners left fuming. Members of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB, on Friday conducted an operation to clamp down on owners of motorcycles said to be committing breaches while traveling on the road. We are paying attention to the motorcycles with the loud muffler, as well as those that are unlicensed. A member of the police team that was carrying out the operation told the Loop News. During the clampdown, several motorcycles were seized and the drivers were issued with tickets. However, some of the drivers were not in agreement with the seizure and claimed that the police were unjust in their operation. One motorcycle owner said he did not adjust or modify his muffler and that his motorcycle was brought into the island that way, but it was still seized. The operation was conducted in and around the halfway tree area of Kingston. Now let's go to a videotape showing the operation of the police and, of course, the remarks from the disgruntled bikers. Let's take a look.
Sorry. So all them about this, right? And at the end of the day, you buy the new, because your food and like the new move about. If that is each of your ticket a one or something. For the load muffler, but not go about and put to the bike. And then stop with the load muffler. And the muffler where they come on bike, is it come from a bike in all there? No. You get me I say? And them stop there and take with the bike and say, oh, I must come back from bike. The only manager over the weekend. You get me I say? Now people are waiting for me to deal with some business now, to deal with people with business. Now come out for work and do estimate the next work and other people are waiting for me. And them are going to take on my bike and tell me, my bike have to sleep on station till Monday. So you don't believe the muffler is low? No. Muffler come from the bike. Muffler long as same as the muffler come from the bike. And if same as this kind of rev it up and max it, limit it out and make up PNIs and tell the muffler loud. And I even rev up my bike, it's sound loud. Even the quiet muffler them can sound loud if you rev them hard. It's a magic some of them.
Well, I can understand, how the police are moved to this kind of action, because a lot of people, especially senior citizens, are complaining about this loud motorcycle muffler, which are affecting them late at night, in the evening and early morning. I myself am not too with this loud muffler, because if it was just loud I could understand, but sometimes it sounds like shots are being fired. Many a times I've been on the road and I hear pow 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 and I start looking to dive for cover because I think shots are being fired. Now if you cannot identify the real gunshot from a motorcycle muffler and learn how to take away yourself fast, then you're in problem traversing the streets. However, I can understand that there are law-abiding youngsters that use these motorcycles from time to time to go to work, to make deliveries, and so on and so forth. So I think that at any time the policeman finds one of these law-abiding citizens and it is his first offense, he should be ticketed if there's any modification done to the motorcycle, and if there's no modification done by him and it's factory done, then he should be given time to fix it, make sure the muffler are not making that noise, and then come to the station, you know, and prove that by the police. But to take away the motorcycle that some of these messengers and food carriers and deliverymen, they're hustling and they need it, you know, to provide for their families. So I think the police can be somewhat lenient in the beginning of the drive, and if you catch a perpetrator not conforming with the rules and the regulation, say for instance he has been stopped more than one time, this is his second confrontation with the police, then the police more can just go ahead and seize the motorcycle, because we see that this one here is not complying to the rules and regulation. But I do understand that some of these young men are hard-working young men. They're not out there snatching people's phone. They're out there trying to make an honest living, and I think we should encourage them. Let me know how you feel about this new enforcement of the police officers seizing motorcycles with loud mufflers. Speak to me in the comment section below. Like and share this video. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, now we are waiting for, man. Help Big Stone reach 100,000 and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.